everyone, thanks for joining me today for Practical Life. Today I'm going to be doing a lesson on twisting nuts and bolts, which is something that you can set up using materials that you buy at the hardware store. And this activity is a lot of hand strengthening and twisting. The twisting motion prepares the wrists for writing and other coordinated tasks. It also uses both hands, so we're really getting the two sides of the body to work together, which is great practice for a young child, and it helps with the brain development as well. So I'll show you the materials that I have today, but first I'm going to lay out my rug. And today I have a cute little blanket for my work. So I just went to the hardware store and purchased some larger bolts that are also short. And I got two different sizes, but there's a lot of different sizes that you can get. It's just kind of what your child is able to do. I felt that this might be best to start with for mastery of the activity, to not have a super long one. But if your child is good at this activity already, then you can get the longer or even smaller bolts as well. And then just the nut that goes with it. That one's on all the way. I'll do the next one. Now I'm going to take them off. I'm going to turn it the other way. So as you can see, that requires a lot of concentration to twist and to hold it in place so that you can get it all the way onto the bottom. And now I'm going to put my work away on the shelf. And thanks for joining me today. Bye-bye.